attackers start base. Sorry. Wait a minute. No, that is going to be the defender's base for this one. Okay? So you've got the high ground, you've got the top, advantage kind of the defender. Now, you've got the middle base, that's going to be covered for those people advancing, not for the defenders. The defenders, you're in the base and that's it until the later part of the game. Alright? Now that everybody else is arriving, I'll give the whole scenario. Okay guys, get yourselves in close. I want to explain this just once. You guys call yourself candy.
Are we still doing it?